This is the Ailun glass screen protector, one of Amazon's top sellers. And the main reason for that is because when you buy the Ailun glass screen protector, you actually get 3 tempered glass screen protector for the price of one. And at the time of this video, I bought this for $7. So since you get a total of 3, that means that each of these glass screen protectors are basically under $2.50, which is crazy considering that there are other screen protectors that can cost up to $60 for just one. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to install it on your iPhone 17 Pro and to decide on whether or not it's worth getting such an inexpensive screen protector for your very expensive 17 Pro, which retails for about $1,000, and that's just a starting price. So inside the box, of course, you're gonna have 3 tempered glass screen protectors. Now you're also going to get an insulation frame. However, you only get one. So since it's a pack of 3, it's highly recommended that you keep this just in case. They're also going to give you 3 sets of wipes, which includes a wet wipe and a dry wipe, and 3 sets of dust remover sticker. Now, of course, because of the price of the screen protector, all of the accessories that you get aren't going to be like super high quality or premium. They're just going to be the most basic of the basics. So just keep that in mind. Now, the very first thing that you want to do when installing a screen protector is definitely shutting off your phone, because the screen is super sensitive and it'll automatically turn on all the time. So I really recommend you shut it completely off, so that way you can see if there's any type of lint or any other particles on top of your screen. All right, perfect. Once your screen is off, go ahead and grab step number 1, which is this wet wipe. And then you're gonna wipe the front of the screen. And so this is basically an alcohol prep pad. All right, and after that, we're gonna open up the dry wipe. And as you can see, it's very flimsy. So other more expensive screen protectors will have like a really nice microfiber cloth. Now, I will say that this dry pad isn't going to be the best, of course. Like, the microfiber cloths are so much better at drying the actual screen. And the next step here is we're going to use the dust removal stickers. You can use the large one or the small one, but what you're going to do is you're going to inspect the front of your screen, and you want to make sure there's no lint in the front of your screen. And you basically want to just use the adhesive side to remove that. All right, so once you're confident that your screen is perfectly lint-free, you can place your phone horizontally if you want to. And then we're gonna grab the actual installation frame. And the installation frame is gonna have a section that says top. I don't know if you can see that right there, it's very translucent, but this one says top. So of course you're gonna line this up with the top of the phone. All right, next step is grabbing the actual screen protector. You're gonna remove this step over here, but go ahead and flip it over before you do. And then remove that adhesive side. And then you're gonna place the screen protector right on top of the actual installation frame. You wanna just line it up. And this basically will align your screen protector. Okay, and then apply some pressure, so that way the screen protector can start to adhere. And this part could look different for everyone's screen protector. All right, perfect. All right, so take a closer look at the actual installation. Now you're gonna notice some micro bubbles here, but you can use your finger to apply more pressure, and that all of that should go away, just like you saw over there. And overall, the installation ended up being super clean. You can see a closer look here. Everything is lined up perfectly as well. It looks like it has perfect alignments, which I really appreciate. Go ahead and power on the phone and see how it feels. All right, guys, I have it fully unlocked. And as you can see here, the screen protector itself is very clear and transparent. So it's gonna look just like the screen of the actual iPhone. There's no type of filters here at all. So it looks really nice. It also feels really nice and smooth. Me personally, I always love how a screen protector feels over the original screen of the phone, which is really nice. Now, one thing to know about this screen protector is that although it does have an oleophobic coating, I will say that over time, the screen protector will be noticeably dirty with fingerprints and whatnot. So the actual coating itself isn't as strong as other more premium screen protectors that don't showcase all of the oils and fingerprints as prominent as this one, for example. But that's one of the trade-offs of having such a cheap screen protector, for example. So a lot of times using a microfiber cloth will make that screen look really nice. But that's one of the reasons why I personally like to go with more expensive screen protectors, because I personally don't like to see fingerprint and oils so dominant on that screen. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put a case over it real quick. I'm gonna use this Taurus case, and the actual cutout of the actual screen protector is made so that it is 100% case friendly. So even if you have a case that has a very tight fit, for example, you still have just enough space to fit any type of case. And that's really important, especially if you're using very rugged cases, for example. So that's one thing I really like to see. Now, in terms of thickness of the actual screen protector here, it's not gonna be as thick as the more expensive screen protector. It does feel a little bit more flimsy than your premium screen protector. And as far as when it breaks, so if I were to bend it a little bit, you can see it is very flexible, of course. Now I'm not applying as much pressure to force it to crack, but you can kind of see right over there that it is starting to crack. So if I were to leave it loose, you're gonna see this little crease here, for example. So in terms of durability, it's not gonna be as durable as like other more expensive screen protectors, for example. But if I were to apply maximum pressure, you can see that it basically shattered into a million pieces. So overall, guys, for a screen protector to be under $10 for 3 screen protectors is insane value. Unless if you want something specific like privacy features, or maybe you want something that has filters like blue lights or things like that. Honestly, this screen protector does its job. And if you have multiple iPhones, you can always share this with your friends and family, or you keep all the extra ones just in case your screen protector actually breaks or shatters. You can always just remove it and reapply your second one or your third one, for example. So for those reasons, I think the Ailun tempered glass screen protector is worth it, and there's a really good reason why it is also highly rated. I mean, you cannot beat that price. A $60 screen protector isn't going to be that much more superior over this screen. I still prefer premium screen protector, but in terms of cost to value, you cannot beat something like this. So for the majority of you guys, I think this screen protector is more than enough. I do recommend getting yourself a good case, for example, which will prevent the screen from shattering earlier. So that's one thing I do recommend. But other than that, Ailun screen protector is definitely a good choice.